welcome to the second round. First round, say we have Abhishek and Suresh who have qualified for the semis. This round, the order will be Bhavesh, Govind, Soumya, and Vijit. And after 8 questions, we'll reverse the order and start with Vijit. So first question is to Bhavesh. Bhavesh, there are only 2 players in the world who have the record of scoring in every minute of the game. That is, they've scored in all 90 minutes of the game in throughout their career. Who are those 2 players? So 2 players, 5 points for each correct guess.
So just a wild guess. One should be Messi. One must be Messi, and second I'll just take Messi and Ronaldo.
Okay, passing to Govind.
I think it's Messi and Zlatan.
Okay, so the right answer is Ronaldo and Zlatan. So Bhavesh gets 5 for getting Ronaldo right, and Govind gets 5 for Zlatan. Good guess, guys. Good guess. The next direct is so Govind got 5, and the next direct is Soumya's direct. Soumya, what is the Italian stadium Giuseppe Meazza, better known as? It serves as the home to which 2 teams? So there are 3 parts of the answer. One is the stadium name and the 2 teams that call it home. So 4 points for getting the stadium right and 3 each for each team.
I have no clue what is the name of the stadium. So since it's Italian, Juventus would be one team, and the other team, Milan.
So there are 2 Milans.
AC Milan.
Passing to Vijit.
Stadium is San Siro, and teams are AC Milan and Inter Milan.
Awesome answer. So Soumya gets 3 points for AC Milan. Vijit gets 7 for San Siro and Inter Milan. Great answer. So 7 points to Vijit, 3 to Soumya, and the next direct goes to Bhavesh. Bhavesh, apart from Chelsea, which other English team has won exactly 2 Champions League competitions?
Okay. Exactly. Okay, exactly 2. So one, I think Nottingham Forest has won it. Aston Villa has even won it, but I'm not sure they have won 2. Man United has won 3. Liverpool has won.
तो जब ऐसा सोचता है ना जोर से तो सबको ऐसा आगे वालों को आंसर पता चल जाता है अगर करेक्ट बोला रहेगा.
नहीं लेकिन you need exactly 2, right? You need exactly.
I need one team which has won
only one team, yeah.
I need one team which has won 2 Champions League competitions.
Okay.
Exactly 2 competitions.
Exactly 2, right?
Right.
I'll go with Nottingham Forest has won 1. Yeah. Liverpool has won 1.
The only thing helping you right now is the bad audio.
अच्छा my audio quality is poor, right?
थोड़ा जा रहा है बीच में.
थोड़ा.
देख आंसर देते टाइम सही रहेगा चलेगा बाकी टाइम पे तू जो करना है कर.
I'll go with Nottingham Forest.
Yeah, Nottingham Forest is the right answer. 10
Great answer, man. Great answer.
Great answer. तू एक्चुअली जब सोच रहा है ना तो यू आर एलिमिनेटिंग टीम्स फॉर अदर्स एज वेल. सो तू अभी नॉटिंघम फॉरेस्ट, एस्टन विला, मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड, लिवरपूल 4 टीम बोला.
Actually, how I got this answer was I was having a banter with one of the Arsenal fans. So I told them Nottingham Forest and Aston Villa also has won it.
I am kicking him out of the quiz. Disqualified.
Okay.
Cool. Bhavesh gets 10. Next direct is to Govind. Govind, Scottish manager Jock Stein died on 10 September 1985 after a game where Scotland qualified for the playoff against Australia. This person, who was part of the coaching staff, agreed to take charge of the Scottish team against Australia and also at the World Cup. Who are we talking about?
I'm gonna pass. I have absolutely no idea.
Okay, passing to Soumya.
I don't know, so I'll just give a random Scottish surname. Gregor.
No. Passing to Vijit.
I'll also pass. No idea.
Okay, passing to Bhavesh.
Yeah, 1 second.
Huh?
30 minutes. 1 second, I'm just thinking.
Okay.
So one of the Scottish manager is Alex Ferguson, right? So I'll give my guess as Ferguson, Sir Alex Ferguson.
That is the correct answer. Great
Nice.
answer, Bhavesh.
Nice.
10 points. 10 points to Bhavesh. Very good answer. So this was before he managed Man United, and the rest is history. So Bhavesh gets 10. Next direct is again Govind's direct. Govind, Antonin Dash used this technique for scoring a penalty in the finals of the 1976 Euros and ended up lending his name to it. What technique?
Panenka.
That is the right answer. Antonin Panenka is the one who's credited with the invention of the Panenka. Great answer. 10 points to Govind. Next direct is Soumya's direct. Soumya, these two Newcastle United teammates were involved in an altercation, resulting in both of them being sent off. Identify the two players.
Newcastle United, no? No.
Sounded very confident.
One guy, okay, I'm not gonna sound racist, so let's just pass.
Okay. Passes to Vijit.
I know the incident but don't remember the name, so I'll also pass.
Okay. Passes to Bhavesh.
I am just able to identify the non-Newcastle player here, Gareth Barry.
Oh,
So
yes.
pass.
Okay. Passes to Govind.
I'm gonna pass. I have no idea who they are.
Okay.
I'll tell you now.
We're going to Soumya. Soumya, I'll give you the initials of the two players.
Sure.
One is LB.
LP and
LB, and the second one is KD. B for Bombay, LB and KD.
Louis Philip and Kristen Davidson.
Passes to Vijit.
Is it Kenny Dalglish?
No, not Kenny Dalglish. Passes to Bhavesh.
I'm here for the fire.
One is LB and the second is
KD.
KD. Newcastle player LB Carter.
BB.
हाँ LB हाँ वो नहीं आ रहा यार. लुइस बेकर लेकिन वो तो चेल्सी का प्लेयर है. And नहीं pass.
Passes to Govind.
Okay, I'm gonna guess like wild. The only LB I know is Leighton Baines.
Nope.
And
Not.
the yeah, that's all. I don't know.
Okay. So the answer is Lee Boyer and Kieran Dyer.
Okay.
Kieran Dyer,
yeah. Wait, Dyer. So no points scored of this question. So last was Soumya's direct. This one will be Vijit's direct. Vijit, this football player was born in Secunderabad in 1984. He signed for QPR in August 2009. However, he wasn't allowed a work permit as India was not in the top 70 football nations. Who are we talking about?
Michael Chopra?
Not Michael Chopra. Passes to Bhavesh.
Pass.
Passes to Govind.
Is it? I don't know. Chamak.
Not Moran Chamak. Passes to Soumya.
Can I know what's the full form of QPR?
Queens Park Rangers.
Feroz Khan? I don't know.
Okay, we'll go to Vijit with the
Mhm.
hint.
I know.
So-
No, I don't know.
Okay. Vijit, the hint is he has scored one of the highest number of goals among active players in the current active. I mean, one of the highest goal scorers in the active players currently.
Sunil Chetri.
Yup, Sunil Chetri is the answer. Great answer, Vijit.
Oh,
Okay, I was not aware actually. QPR के लिए भी खेला है.
And Sikandrabad was probably the trick.
I'm Sunat.
So 5 points to Vijit, and the next direct is Bhavesh. Bhavesh, Mario Balotelli has only one assist in his EPL career. Who was the goal scorer?
Aguero with
Yes,
5-6
that is
goals. Aguero.
Aguero.
oh yes.
Oh yes, that was.
10 points to Bhavesh. So we are done with 8 questions, and we'll reverse the order now. So the next direct goes to Vijit.
Okay.
Vijit, only 2 nations have won 2 World Cups consecutively. Name the 2 countries. So there are 2 answers. 5 points for each.
One is Brazil and other is Germany.
Passes to Soumya.
Brazil and Uruguay.
Passes to Govind.
Brazil and second one France.
Passes to Bhavesh.
One has to be Brazil, and the second one, team just won it, and Portugal is out. Italy.
Yup, Italy is the second country.
Nice.
So 5 points to
Okay.
Bhavesh and 5 points to Vijit. Great answer, Bhavesh.
Yeah, thanks.
So Vijit had the last direct. The next direct is Soumya's. Soumya, which Spanish club are nicknamed Los Colchoneros, which translates to the mattress makers, because their first team stripes resemble to colors of traditional mattresses?
Spanish club, no.
Yeah.
Real Madrid.
Passes to Govind.
Is it Bilbao? Atletico Bilbao?
Passes to Bhavesh.
Atletico Madrid.
Atletico Madrid is the right answer.
Nice.
Great answer.
Nice
Bhavesh.
answer, yeah. Again.
Bhavesh is
Yeah.
killing it. 10 points more to Bhavesh. The next direct is Vijit's direct. Vijit, what is termed as the perfect hat trick in football?
Okay, so 3 goals scored, one by left foot, one by right foot, and other by header.
That is the right answer. 10 points to Vijit. So
Nice.
left foot, right foot, and header is considered the perfect hat trick. Next direct is Soumya's direct. Soumya, identify this goalkeeper and his nationality. So 6 points for identifying the goalkeeper and 4 points for the country.
Argentina. And another name.
Okay, passes to Govind.
The nationality is Colombia. I am not aware of the name.
Okay, passes to Bhavesh.
Not sure about the name. Haitinga, something like that. And the nationality is Colombia. As goals.
Passes to Vijit.
No idea. Pass.
Okay, going back to Soumya. So Colombia is the correct answer. So Govind gets 4 for that. The name, the initials are RH. And one of the current, one of the very famous Argentine forwards has a similar last name.
What is it? RH, right?
RH, yeah.
Rajgopal Redkar. I don't know.
मस्त रहता था राजगोपाल ये सब कर पाता तो passes to
Look
Govind.
तो राजगोपाल जैसा लग रहा था but हाँ.
Let's say some Ricardo.
Not Ricardo.
I don't
Passes
know.
to Bhavesh.
The current Argentine footballer, he's a striker, right?
I
Or any?
can't say that.
No, what was the hint? Could you repeat that?
Yeah, one of the
Hint.
current Argentine players shares a similar last name. Similar,
Last
not
name,
same.
right? H is. I remember his name starts with H, but I think I'm not sure about his last name. Hernandez, just a wild guess.
Not Hernandez. Passes to Vijay.
Must be.
Hero. Some hero.
Not Hero. So Govind gets 4 points for getting the country right. The answer is Rene Higuita.
Higuita.
Oh,
I was saying
yeah.
high.
Higuain
I
के
was
साथ.
saying.
Higuain. Yeah. So Govind got 4 on the last one, and the next direct is Bhavesh direct. Bhavesh, which Indian player trialed with Wigan Athletic and claims that he had generated interest from the then Evertonian manager Roberto Martinez in 2014 before signing for the Norwegian club Stabæk instead?
Okay. Now the goalkeeper. The goalkeeper. What's his name? Yeah. Goalkeeper's name. Sandhu कौन है यार वो Sandhu?
ठीक है, I'll give you points for Sandhu. It's Gurpreet Singh Sandhu.
हाँ, Gurpreet
Good
Singh
answer.
Sandhu, yeah.
Good answer.
Nice
10 points. 10 points to Bhavesh. Next direct is Vijit's direct. Vijit, this English football club was formerly known as Dial Square. The modern name comes from the name of the weapons factory at the original location, Woolwich. Which club are we talking about?
Arsenal.
Arsenal is the correct answer.
Yeah.
You have fated
Thanks.
to get that question.
Exactly.
Dial Square is the previous name for Arsenal. 10 points to Vijit. The next direct is Soumya's direct. Soumya, which are the only two nations to jointly host a single edition of the World Cup?
Cup.
I think it should be something in South America. Sorry. Is it? I don't know. Is it Uruguay and Argentina?
No. Passes to Govind.
Is it is it Germany and France? I don't know.
No. Passes to Bhavesh.
Mexico and USA.
No. Passes to Vijit.
Is it Chile and Argentina?
No. So the question comes back to Soumya. So we are looking at Asian countries.
Oh. Okay.
2.5 for each guess.
So it could be Russia and one of the Euro countries. Definitely not Ukraine. I don't know. Russia and Japan.
Okay. Passes to Govind.
We're talking about Asian countries, right?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. South Korea, I don't know.
Okay, so we have the two answers, Japan and
Oh.
South Korea.
Good.
2002 World Cup. So 2.5 to Soumya and 2.5 to Govind. Nice crack. So Govind got 2.5 on the last one, and the final question of the quiz goes to Bhavesh. Bhavesh, this club's name is derived from the Latin word which means youth. The club's nickname La Vecchia Signora is an ironic play on the club's actual name. Which club are we talking about, and what is the nickname in English?
Young boys.
No, not Young Boys. Passes to Vijit.
Uh, Valencia.
Not Valencia. Goes to Soumya.
No, I can't remember a club name with youth name.
It means youth. So passes to Govind.
Boca Juniors.
Not Boca Juniors. So the question goes back to Bhavesh. The question goes back to Bhavesh, and your hint is just to not make it very easy, I'll say it's a European club.
Okay.
I don't want to make it too easy
That's
because it's one of the major clubs in Europe.
See, the club's nickname.
Shit.
Club's nickname is an ironic play on the club's actual name.
Oh, pass.
Okay, goes
Not
to
waste
Vijit.
time. Pass.
Is it Juventus with the old lady? But they are old lady, no?
Yeah, that
Is
is
it?
the
Okay, great.
that is the right answer.
I just realized.
Old
Yeah.
lady, yeah.
Awesome answer, Vijit. 5 points to Vijit.
But how come it was young? That question was all young and
So youth means Juventus, and the
okay.
nickname is an irony on the youth wala part.
Okay.
So old
Great,
lady.
great.
That's
Nice. Good
One
question.
answer I knew in my life. Shit.
so. I thought Soumya would get it because she had get Juventus in the first answer.
Exactly. I got it as soon as I passed it.
Awesome. So I'll just give out the scores. Bhavesh has 60.
Okay.
Govind has 21.5.
Nice.
Soumya has 5.5.
Hey, 7.5.
नहीं वो 3 था San Siro Inter Milan. And Vijit has 42. So Bhavesh and Vijit qualify to the semis. Great game, guys. Awesome game.
Great.
Well played.
Good game,
Nice.
Great set. Questions are awesome. Very nice.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
It was
Rohit,
fun.
nice set of questions.
Thanks.